How do you make a puppet you can chat with in a pinch? It's time for Library Make. Creative play is so important to development of early literacy skills of little ones. When it comes to play, less structure means that children can explore and create new worlds all with their imagination. This DIY puppet has plenty of opportunities for creativity. Making the puppet gives chances for kiddos to customize its appearance, and once it's completed, they can talk, sing, and play with their puppet either by themselves or in a crowd. So it's excellent to create as a group activity. Keep watching to learn how.
To make this craft, you'll need clothespins, our template, yarn, scissors, glue, markers, and other decorations. Let's get crafting. First, color your face template before you cut it out. It's easier to do this before cutting, especially for emerging artists just learning. Add eyes, a mouth, or a different nose if you want. We've included a blank circle template so you can make anything into a puppet. After coloring, cut the template out. Next, create yarn hair for your puppet. Wrap yarn around 2 of your fingers a few times, then tie around your bundle to secure it. Once it's tied, cut the looped ends to finish. You can loop fewer times around less fingers for thinner hair or more for a thicker option. Now it's time to cut the template and glue it to the clothespin. Cut the circle template in half, then glue each half of the circle to the top and bottom of the clothespin, making sure that they line up. After gluing, attach hair, googly eyes, or any other decorations to your puppet.
These puppets are quick to make, easy to transport, and fun to make your own. Children will love using them to act out their own stories, and they're great in combination with the puppet stage we created in an earlier video. Younger ones will enjoy playing with puppets they can easily manipulate in funny ways, and older ones can put those literacy skills into practice by creating scripts and acting out scenes with their own cast of clothespin puppets. And remember, the more the merrier, so have lots of kiddos join in on the fun and collaborate for what is bound to be a unique puppet performance. Now get to chatting. Happy making!